Hey, my finds that I got at the spring Daytona turkey run and swap meet, they come in today, so let's check out what I got. I can't wait till you see this shifter when I get it ready. Going to start on it tomorrow. Well, my package got here from Florida. I took the plane back and I sent this package. I packed everything up. Cost me like $40-something to get it all here. So I'm just unraveling it all and looking back over it, see if I'm as excited as I am since now that I've got it home. Pretty sure I am. Biggest thing I couldn't believe is that, believe it or not, this thing right here. Who would have thought that one of them would be so hard to find? Of all the things down there, we only seen 4 of them down there, and I feel like I bought the best one. So, gonna clean that thing up probably tomorrow. Take it with me. These are my tail lights. A set of 64 tail lights. Check it out, with backup lights in it. I'm gonna say that one right there will clean up almost perfect. The rim doesn't have any bad places on it or anything. The light is nice. The center is really nice. All the plugs, wires, all real nice. Now the other one, on the other hand, if I remember right, it has got a crack on the lens. See right there? So it's got a crack on the lens. But the money shot is that thing right there. Pretty sure I can just take the one that I have out there, one of the lenses I have out there, and cut the center out and put that backup light in. But again, that backup light, it's perfect. The ring is really nice. So really happy with that. And I bought all this Falcon stuff from this guy. I said in an earlier one there, but we got it home. The marker lights, the lenses, the actual disc brake proportioning valve, which I'm going to put disc brakes on it. That, here's the other one. The defrost heater controls not messed up. That thing is, they are hardly pitted at all. Really nice. Just got to clean them up. This is the interior trim that goes along the inside of the windshield post. It's really nice. Both of them, all that stuff from that guy, like $40. Maybe should have opened all this stuff up before I started doing this, but anyways, you get a real effect this way. I don't even remember what this is. Oh, it's the tack. So the sun tack, which this one is just like the one that I had. Couldn't believe these things were so hard to find. This one's black on the back of it, and I'm pretty sure mine was chrome. So, but we'll settle with this one for now, especially for $17. Oh, all the already got it out. All the little Mr. Gasket wire looms and stuff. I got 4 packs of them. This right here is just the small ones that don't have the clamp down. There's the one with the 4. And then there's another one somewhere. Must not got it out. Check his Cow Custom gas pedal out. How cool is that thing? And it's in really good shape too. It just needs to be cleaned up and repainted in there. I happen to know somebody. And then this is the one. This is the breather. Guy was really nice on the breather. Knocked a bunch of money off of it. Got the breather. He gave me a washable. Or didn't give it to me. I paid for it, but the washable filter that's kind of a red burgundy, which is going to have red wires on it. Of course, have red insides. And then here is the think this is a breather. Yeah. So we got that. And then I am going to take and, believe it or not, beat these up a little bit. Paint this section in here gray, the color of the car. Beat that up a little bit, make it look a little old, and paint it gray. And here is the other one. That's the breather. Again, gray, beat up, gray. So, and then I got, this is the fender pieces that you can't hardly find, which I actually needed, believe it or not. So there's 3 of them. If I remember right, there was 2 right hand and 1 left hand. So got that, needed that. I didn't buy one thing that I really actually didn't need. This is the blue flex fan. So I'm excited. Now I believe we've got everything. Now it's just started time to let's get to work.